Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this makeup look. I'm also going to be taking you through this month's Ipsy Glam bag and what I got inside of it, because I am an Ipsy in-house creator, which means I get the Glam bag every month for free, and I get to show you guys what I got in my Glam bag and how I use these products and all of that fun stuff. So yeah, it's crazy that it's Valentine's Day for me, because one of the very first videos I ever posted on my channel was a Valentine's Day makeup look. So it's like weird. Whoa. I make myself sound so stupid sometimes. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look and get ready for Valentine's Day with me, then keep on watching and let's get right into the video. Nothing like a little bit of hydration. No, I'm gonna start by putting this lip balm on. This is the Jersey Shore Cosmetics Apple Harvest Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm. It smells so good. And it's all natural and it's moisturizing. It's really good, and gotta get these lips nice and kissable. This is my first Valentine's Day where I actually JK, it's my second Valentine's Day where I'm actually in a relationship. The first one doesn't count, so. All right, so now I'm gonna prime. I'm gonna use this Hailey's Beauty Refined Prime Primer. This is really lightweight, but most importantly, it's gonna blur those imperfections. Why can I not talk? But you'll see. You'll look at this. Mostly gonna keep this on my T-zone because it's gonna control shine, so that's where I would get shine. I don't usually get it like around the rest of my face, so just in the T-zone. All right, now time for foundation. I'm gonna use this Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I'm running out of this foundation. I'm so upset about it, but I literally am just unscrewing it and doing it the most unsanitary way possible by just rubbing the wand all over my face. No! All right, now that I have foundation all over me, I'm gonna blend this out with this Tarte sponge and just make sure it's nice and even. And I'm also gonna bring it down my neck too, because it's not a perfect match, so we don't want anyone to see that. I'm gonna conceal, and I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm gonna add a little bit of this Tarte Shape Tape into there so I have some extra coverage, because I don't want any dark circles showing through today. This combination is really good because the Tarte Shape Tape is just a little drying for me, so to add a little bit with the wateriness of this one, it just works out really well for me. All right, I'm gonna do my brows off of camera because it's always the same, and I have a brow tutorial so you can check that out if you don't know how I do my brows. But yeah, I'm gonna do it off camera and I'll be right back. All right, so I got my eyes primed. I know I always use this palette, like look at it. I think I'm gonna buy a new one. It's used and abused, but I'm gonna go in with this shade, of course, Warm Taupe, and I'm just gonna start putting this in my crease. I'm gonna keep it pretty subtle, and you'll see why. It's gonna actually look really good in the end, I think. All right, so now that I have this shadow laid down, I'm gonna blend using this Ipsy Beauty 249 shading eye brush. Or it's blending and shading, because it's got two sides here, and this actually came in my Glam bag, and I'm just gonna blend with it. I actually really like the way that this blends. It's just really soft. Also, this is vegan and cruelty free. And what is this? This is where we're gonna start getting a little funkadelic. I'm gonna take this Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Red Rum, and I'm gonna use this as an eyeliner. So the reason I'm using the Jeffree Star brand is because I know it's eye safe. I could have done research and seen if this one was eye safe, because I actually really wanted to use this color, but I was too lazy to do the research and I just grabbed this one. So I know it's eye safe, and that's why I'm using it. So I'm just gonna do like a line. I'm not gonna do a wing. And I'm just gonna put it on my upper lash line and create like just a red line. Okay, so I put on a little bit of black eyeliner so that when I put on lashes, you won't see the band. But I mainly focus the red to be like thicker. It's gonna be subtle, nothing crazy, but I just think it's like a cute little like, you know? Anyway, I'm gonna go to the lower lash line, and I'm gonna take the same shade Warm Taupe with this Luxie 151 mini flat brush. Now taking the Sigma E36 Small Tapered Blending, I'm just going to blend this out. For mascara, I'm gonna take this Pure Mini Fully Charged Mascara and just put it on. It's in black. I also got this in my Glam bag, by the way. This is gonna strengthen, lengthen, and make your lashes look really good, really separated and not clumpy. So yeah. So after I put on this mascara, I'm going to throw on some lashes and I'll be right back. So now I'm gonna take this loose eyeshadow by Marsk. It's a loose eyeshadow in the shade Foiled Again, and it's like a really foily, like silver. And I'm actually just gonna use this as like a pop on my lower lash line. You'll see. So this is like a really high pigmented silver. It's also like really has like a creamy texture. So I'm just putting this on like the outer, like where the eyeshadow starts to blend out. It's really subtle, but it's also not, because like when the light hits it, it's like, pah, trust. I wanna do like a look with this eyeshadow where I put it all over the lid because it's intense. I just really feel like I need to give you guys a swatch because I'm not doing it justice on my eye. All right, now I'm gonna bronze up my face using the Park Ave Princess Matte. Look how beat up this is getting, it's crazy. I've used it so much. So I'm just gonna like put it where I would normally contour, like my cheekbones, my forehead, and then a little bit down the sides of my nose. Okay, now for highlighter, another thing from my Glam bag. This is the Luna by Luna highlighter in the shade Electra. And this is gonna be really buildable and give a really nice pigment. I mean, look at that, it's so pretty. Now for blush, I'm gonna take this Milani Baked Blush in the shade Tea Rose, which is like a nice soft pink. I'm gonna keep it nice and feminine for Valentine's Day. All right, I just realized I wanna put this highlighter on my inner corner too. So I'm just gonna throw that in there. Now for lips, I'm gonna take this Sugar Cosmetics Matte as Hell Lipstick Crayon in the shade Viola. This is really pigmented, and this lipstick formula lasts so long. It's like glue, but in a good way. This is like the sweet Valentine's Day, and then we have the sultry Valentine's Day. But I'm gonna go get changed. I'm gonna take my hair down, give it a little tousle, and be right back. Oh, I showed you sweet. Now it's time for a little salty. Just kidding. What's the word? Spicy? I don't know. I wanted to do a really like fire red lip, so I switched over to the Fenty Beauty Uncensored Stunna lip paint. I just really wanted to do like a pop of red. So I feel like that other lipstick would be good for like daytime, and then this is like spicing things up at night, you know? I wanted to paint my nails using this Trust Fund Beauty nail polish in Wine O'Clock, and it's really, actually really pretty, like a nice vampy deep red shade. As you can see, guys, my nail beds are so bad right now. Like, did you guys see Kylie's daughter Stormy's nail beds? Goals. Why am I jealous of an infant right now? But anyway, this nail polish is really, really cute, and it's vegan and cruelty-free. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a really good Valentine's Day, whether you're single or in a relationship or whatever. I hope that you make it a really good day, and yeah. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I make new videos every single week, so you can check out my other videos and subscribe for more. And you can follow me on my other social medias, which I'll have linked down below. Always have those linked down below, so you can check those out. And I think that's it. Hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, and thank you to Ipsy and their brand partners for helping me with this video. All right, bye. When you zoom out from the nebula, like it's like planets, like the intertwinement of like all of the universes. It looks like a fiber. Yeah. Wait, how many of you guys want a frozen drink from Taco Bell? Can I do a collaboration on my channel with Elon Musk? Nachos and cheese. They have like strawberry. It says strawberry, but they're gonna call me and tell me that they don't have strawberry and that they only have blueberry because I do this all the time. But the blue is better than the strawberry, so I'm already cool with that. Inside of each cell is like a fiber that has a billion universes and a billion people that live in there. I just choked him. Are you filming?